Welcome to the Kalahari Dessert. The Kalahari Dessert on the plantation that Mommy and Daddy bought for my boyfriend and me. There's a horned melon, a Kalahari horned melon, Cucumis metuliferus. Kalahari dessert, eaten by the Kalahari Bushmen for thousands of years. Oops. That one's not quite ripe. This is my favourite sized horned melon. This is my favourite size, the size of a lemon, just right for one person. You can squeeze it over your ice cream or your fruit salad. Just the right size when it's ripe. Look at it, just the right size for one person. What's that? They're tiny carob beans, that's what they are. Got to get in here fast without falling over. A little bit early to harvest, but I'm going to harvest that one today, just for our film. Now the New Zealanders have had plantations of these Cucumis metuliferus Kalahari horned melons for some decades now. They were so cheeky they renamed them Kiwanos. They did the same with the Chinese gooseberry. So Kiwis grow the kiwi fruit that are Chinese gooseberries, and they grow Kiwanos that are from the Kalahari. A beautiful Kalahari dessert. Let's go and cut it now. Unscathed. I'm unscathed. I thought I'd be all scathed. I thought I'd be scathed, didn't I? I got that out all right. This one's ripe enough to eat. So prickly. They do jab themselves, don't they? There's a beautiful horned melon grown on our plantation. 30 years ago, my boyfriend and I had a huge plantation, but we still grow these just for our enjoyment now. Yes, they make a beautiful dessert, especially swirled in plain vanilla ice cream. Now in the industry they use heavy sandpaper or an emery wheel. Look, it's bleeding. They do bleed a little bit if they get damaged. You can use, to get rid of the thorns, you can just use some heavy sandpaper. Well, it doesn't have to be that heavy, but some sandpaper. And that can break the horns off. See those little horns? You want to break them off lest you injure yourself. And you can just, well, as I said, in the industry they use an emery wheel or sandpaper. But you can just go like this with a heavy glove and break them off that way, just for personal use. If you're doing thousands of them, it's a different matter. They use an emery wheel or have people with sandpaper brushing hundreds and hundreds of them. We did all that. We did all that. But you can just brush and break the points off with heavy gloves like this. Listen to that beautiful bird. That's a roofer's whistler. Look, all the points are being broken off, so you can't damage yourself. And the melons can't hurt each other either that way. This one's just about ready for eating. Look, that point there has been damaged. I've damaged it, but if you were selling them for the supermarket, you'd have to be much more careful that you didn't injure them. And that one's ripe for eating now. It's a beautiful Kalahari dessert, isn't it? That's what it is. And it's ripe for eating, ripe enough for eating. I think they contain vitamin C under the skin. I'm not sure what else they contain. There, look. That's just right for us. It's a bit bigger than a lemon, this one. This one's big enough for 2 or 3 people on their ice cream or dessert. Isn't it lovely? I grew it all by myself, didn't I? This past summer, during our water restrictions, I managed to grow it. Of course, I think the Kalahari is far more wetter than here, because in Australia, where I am, they're so thirsty inland. You could grow them on the coast in Australia without any trouble, or on the tablelands. But where I am, where it's very dry and hot, they're not that drought hardy. They're quite thirsty if you want to grow them. Let's take it to the kitchen in a minute. Look, so this is a nice way to spend lockdown. All the seeds have been squeezed out of this horned melon. There. And we've got this beautiful pulp now. And we're making our Kalahari Dessert. Our beautiful Kalahari Dessert. So lovely. So delicious. Would be nice in ice creams on cones too, actually. So delish. Look at that. So lovely. And the jelly capsules just slide down your throat. They're so delicious. Listen to all those birds singing. I'll be singing now. Beautiful. Beautiful Kalahari dessert. Yummy. It's at its best with vanilla ice cream. The beautiful flavour of the melon. So lovely. You couldn't get this in the finest restaurant. They didn't have it in stock. See you then. Serving suggestion. I can't speak highly enough of this. Kalahari dessert. Yummy. Don't worry about the seeds, they're just like passion fruit seeds. You swallow them all. Bye. Nice way to spend lockdown, but every day of the year is lockdown for me. Listen to those birds. Divine taste of the Kalahari dessert. Heavenly.